welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, I'm Laura. Yes, I'm Laura Nyambula Rua. And when you see me with this, you know what's going down. Yes, so today we are going to turn this into 3 outfits. Yes, 3 good outfits. Some of them are sexy, some of them are church-like. So yes, we're going to turn this into 3 outfits, and maybe on the way, if I get another idea, I will just drop it here right now. Yes, so without further ado, let's get straight into that video. The first one is a skirt. It's a very simple skirt to make. You know, you'll go to a friend's place and you realize you don't even have something to wear, and your friend's clothes don't even fit you, and she has a scarf. So this is what you need to do. Yes, you're going to hold the mid part of the material and you'll just tie a good, pretty knot. Just a knot, and that's it. You have a skirt. You have a skirt with you. You can wear it to the church if you want to, but I'd advise, because of the kind of like slit, you wear it with a tight, maybe to the church, but if you can hide it, the better. Yes, so that's what you are going to do. I did a video on it on my Instagram page, and I styled it different ways, which I'll place the video here, of course, for you guys to see and get ideas on how you will style this skirt. And that was it for this skirt. It is perfect, it is lovely. Pair it with your heels, pair it with the top you want, and let me tell you, it will be gorgeous just like yourself. The next outfit is a dress. We're just going to, whatever I'm doing right there, I don't know how to explain it. Yes, and you'll get someone to help you tie a knot behind. But I will advise, when you're wearing this, you wear it with a blazer or something of the sort, because you wouldn't want the knot to be seen. I don't think it looks that good. So just put a blazer on top. Yes. And this is how it looks with a blazer. It looks really lovely. You can try a blazer or those long coats that one people wear in London. That is the example that I'm going to use when the weather is when it's cold. Yes, but for the people who are in environments like mine in Mombasa, you can use a light blazer. The final outfit will be this top. You'll just tie a knot like the way we did with the skirt, but now with this, you will hold the edges and bring them up. But the back side, you won't tie a knot. You'll just like tuck in the left material. I'll just show you how we'll do this here. It's so simple and very easy. So for this top, all you need to rock it with is a palazzo pant, a trouser, a short, a skirt. It depends with your style. It's a neutral top, so whatever you decide you want to style it with, that is fine, as long as you look fashionable and really nice. Yes, so this is what we're going to do with it. We're not going to tie a knot. No. We don't want to tie a knot. We want it to look very presentable. So this is what we'll do, and I will just have to show you the end results when I've paired it with something. I paired it with a palazzo pant, but you don't have to pair it with it. Yes, the palazzo pants, I love palazzo pants. They're really comfortable and sexy. Yes, so this is the final product, the final results after looks like a painting. Yes, and that is how the top looks. I love it. So guys, that was it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Till next time. Bye bye.